Shorthand is the writing. So we will have to find the device of writing device. Now, these consonants are given symbols. These symbols or characters or forms are taken from the geometrical form. You write the circle like this, then you draw lines, and you find this. Now here, when you draw lines, you find straight lines and curves. This is called curve. So there are straight lines and curves. Now you observe in this consonantal chart, there are pairs of consonants. That is, according to the sound the consonant is produced, as per the sound, there is some similarity in two consonant sounds. See, P, B, P, B. In the same style it is produced, but one is light and another is heavy. The breathing, there is much pressure in producing. The pressure is more in producing the sound of B, P, light sound, B, heavy sound. Similarly, TD, T, D. So more pressure, a little more pressure is required to produce the consonant sound D, that is D. Similarly, Che, Ich, Ij. One is light, another is heavy. Similarly, K, G, K, G, F, V. In the same style, because same method is used in producing. The breathing is stopped and then continuously released. F, V. One is light, another is heavy. Then it, the, it, the, it, the, s, z. One is light, another is heavy. S, z, s, z. You can see you can observe the examples also. Seal, base, like that it is given. Zeal, zeal, base, busy, like that. Bus, yes. Then ish, ji. This is ish. Sh is light sound. Ji, heavy sound. Ish, ji. You observe the letters. SH, ZH. Just to represent to say that it is heavy sound, Z is used. That's all. There is no other reason. Then continuates are over. Up to here you find that is pairs of sound. PB, TD, CJ, KG, FV, ITD, SZ, ISH. These are all pairs of sound. Then nasals, M, N, ing, L, like this. So what form is given to these? We have to write, isn't it? So the sound is represented by a symbol, a sign, a character, a form. These forms are taken from the geometry. A circle, you see the circle and draw 2 lines or 3 lines like that. Then you can see, you will find that you have formed a curve also, a shallow curve like this. So here, to represent the consonant sound up, a downward form is taken. It is written. You are striking that sound. That is why it is called stroke. You are striking with your pen or pencil on the paper. You are striking that sound. Therefore, you are making that sound visible with a form, geometrical form. So, they are called strokes. Now, P is written. It is written downward. P. It is a light sound. Therefore, you write lightly. P. Then B. B is a heavy sound. So, give a little pressure while writing. B. PB. There must be difference. because there is difference in the audio. P, B. Similarly, you must show the difference in writing also. P, B. Similarly, now T, D. It is 90 degrees downward. You can see the other table, the direction of the forms. Now, che, che, that is the pure consonant sound, che. Che is written downward. Heavy sound, j. It is written thick. This is thin, this is thick. Che is written thinly and j is thick. It is written thickly. K is horizontal. You write on the line. K. Heavy sound, G. Similarly, F. It is a curve. It is taken from the circle. You see, this is F. F is a light sound, therefore it is written lightly. Similarly, similar sound, because it is a pair, we said. So, similar sound, V, V. So, it is written in the same fashion as, in the same direction, downward, in the same fashion as F. Then, it, light sound, light stroke. The, thick stroke, heavy sound. The. Yes. You see the directions and the shapes. For it, you see in the circle, it should be like this. Then yes, just opposite of it. Yes. Next, Z. It is heavy sound, so it should be written thick. Ish. It is a slant. So in the circle you can find like this, ish, ish. It is a light sound, light stroke. G, heavy sound, thick stroke. Generally we can say heavy stroke also. Next, M. It is again horizontal. You have seen K. Now it is bent in the middle. M. Then N. Ing. Heavy sound. Ing is heavy sound. Ng. Then liquids. L. You see the circle? L. This shape. Upward. It is written upward. From bottom, upward. L. It is a light sound. Therefore, it is written thinly. So, it is thin stroke. M is thin stroke. N is thin stroke. Ing, heavy sound. Therefore, it is thick. L. The next consonant sound is R. R is provided with two forms. R is provided with two forms. One is written downward. It is a curve. See in the circle, R. Another form representing the same sound. Remember this. Representing the same sound, R. That form is a line written upward. Straight stroke. It is a straight stroke. Straight line. Straight stroke. It is written upward. Now there is a similarity. You see this form? Che. I will explain the difference later. Now, R, the consonant R. What we call it? Re. This consonant R is provided with two forms. One is a curve written downward, another is a straight stroke written upward. Now these should be named. These forms should be named. This downward form is called R. R. The other form representing the pure consonant sound R is named as Re. The sound is R is a light sound. Therefore, the forms representing the consonant R are light strokes only. Then, as I said, there is a similar shape. Che is written downward. Che is written downward. Che is written downward, whereas Re is written upward. From the line, from the horizontal line, you write che is written downward. Che is written downward at an angle of 30 degrees from the perpendicular. Whereas re is written upward 30 degrees from the horizontal line. So that is the difference. Both are light strokes. Che is written downward, re is written upward. That is the difference. So don't get confused. Next consonant. That form is like this, light stroke, but initially there is a small hook. It is a small hook, very little hook. So like that you will have to write in this way. It should be written upward. It should be written upward in this direction. Its name is way. We call it as way. Then ye. Ye. So in the words yet, yellow, that consonant sound is there. It is a light sound. The hook is written with the right motion. There are two motions to write, two ways. Clockwise motion is called a right motion. Clockwise motion is called a right motion. Clock is right. Remember that. So it is written with a right motion. Ye. Whereas way, anti-clockwise motion. The last consonant he. That is the he. He is, it is written downward form and also upward form. Two forms are given to he, remember. Earlier, ir is provided with two forms. Similarly, he is provided with two forms. Both are light sounds. Both are light sounds. But here, he is having an initial circle. Yes, little circle. It is not big circle. Little circle. Initially, at the beginning of the commencement of the stroke, the point from which you write the stroke, there you put the little circle. Along with circle, draw it downward. And another form is with circle upward. You are writing che, isn't it? Che. In the same shape, add circle. Along with circle you write. That is one form. You are writing re. Like that, you put circle. Two forms are there. But the fun is, both forms are named as he. Whereas, the consonant ir is provided with two forms, with two names. This form is called air. This form is called re. Downward form is called air. Upward form is named as re. Whereas he, both are he. He. Only one consonant sound. Sound is same here, r. But here, in regard to he, same name, he. But how to differentiate downward he, upward he? This is a downward form, this is upward form. Okay. Now, there are 24 consonant sounds. How many strokes? 2 additional. Therefore, 26 strokes. For 24 consonant sounds, there are 26 consonantal forms. Because R and he are provided with additional forms. 24 plus 2. Now, read the consonantal forms. P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G, F, V, It, D, S, Z, Ish, J, M, N, Ing, L, R, Re, Ve, Ye, He. Like that. Now, while writing these forms, you must be very, very careful with regard to thinness and thickness. Light stroke is written very lightly. Thick stroke is written just heavily. But you must differentiate. Most important point is the size of the strokes. the size of the strokes must be uniform. The strokes should be uniform at length. This is most important point. The strokes should be uniform at length and the size is 1/6 of an inch. You measure, you take the scale and measure what is the size, or you imagine this size which is written in the textbook. It should not be very small or very big, because in future we are going to have half length size of the stroke and double length size of the stroke. Therefore, we will get confused at that stage. Therefore, now you maintain uniformity, uniform length, and also the size of the stroke should be 1/6 of an inch, about 1/6 of an inch. It should not be too big. If we write big strokes, it will take more time. If we write very small strokes, in future you are going to get confused, because in future you are going to write half length strokes. So you now decide for yourself. It should be about 1/6 of an inch. The size is very important. Thickness is very important. Thin and thick. You will have to practice in that way. And the direction. Thin and thick, size, and the direction and the shape. Shape is also very important. F. You see the circle, and it is part of that circle. So you must be very careful while practicing these consonantal forms. For today, it is enough.